What up, gang? It's your main man Eddie from MPFI. So this kit is the 550-937 from Holley. So you can see what's inside, what you get, and whatnot. We're not going to put it in right now, obviously, as much as I would love to do that. So opening up the box, first things first, you're gonna get the infamous quick start manual. First connector here, this actually looks like the, I'm trying to see by the colors, but this does look like the dual sync distributor wire. Probably gonna fall back a little bit, I'll try to keep it forward. Yep. So then you have your main harness here. Comes in a nice little bundle. And everything is labeled, just like a lot of ECUs out there. Nowadays, everything comes labeled for you. You can see TPS, throttle positioning sensor, IAC, your idle air control. You got another package here. Again, this is the first time me seeing this. Let's see, connect to battery terminal. So this looks like a main power and a ground. And we have our injector harness, or injector harnesses as well to the side. And then we have our O2 sensor. I wonder if this will work. What do we have here? Another small connector.